Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews. Here at Rome Tech, we're diving deep into the world of internet providers, and today, we're taking a close look at Harbour ISP. This Australian company is making waves with its commitment to reliable internet and personalised service. For more detailed information and to explore their various plans, be sure to click the links down in the description. Harbour ISP offers a comprehensive suite of internet solutions, utilizing NBN fixed wireless, satellite, and fiber connections. They cater to a wide range of customers, from residential homes to small businesses and even large enterprises. Their plans are designed with specific user needs in mind, whether it's a family seeking dependable home internet or a business demanding consistently high-speed connectivity. Harbour ISP has carved out a particularly strong presence in regional and rural Australia, where they provide reliable internet access via NBN Sky Muster satellite plans. A key differentiator for Harbour ISP is their customer-centric approach. Being Australian-owned, they offer local customer support, a significant advantage for users, especially those in regional areas who appreciate speaking with someone who understands their specific challenges. They also offer flexible contract options, including no lock-in plans, giving customers the freedom to choose the best service without being tied to lengthy contracts. For residential users, Harbour ISP offers competitive NBN plans with unlimited data across a range of speeds, including standard, fast, and superfast tiers. Their Sky Muster and Sky Muster Plus satellite plans are ideal for remote households, providing unmetered data for essential online tasks like web browsing and email. Business customers can take advantage of tailored solutions, including higher speed options and dedicated customer support. One potential drawback of Harbour ISP's satellite plans, as is common with this technology, is higher latency. However, they offset this with exceptional reliability and high-quality service, particularly in areas where other providers struggle to deliver consistent connectivity. Overall, Harbour ISP is a versatile and customer-focused internet provider with a clear commitment to serving rural and remote communities. Their competitive pricing, flexible plan options, and dedicated customer support make them a compelling choice for both families and businesses. For a closer look at their offerings and to determine if Harbour ISP is the right fit for you, be sure to check out the links provided in the description below.